ito crankshaft position dito. Ito natin na i-learn yung crankshaft position sensor. So nandito yung instruction nya. Ano natin, nakalagay dito yung accelerator nya ay nasa 4,000 yung V8. Magka-cut off yung fuel nya sa 4,000. So okay natin yan. Engine should not accelerate beyond calibration RPM value. Release throttle immediately if to repair service manual. Okay natin yan. Then lock the driver, set the parking brake. Yun, apakan natin yung parking brake. Then do not apply brake. So huwag natin apakan yung preno. Set engine from off to on. Natin, then on. Then apply and hold brake. Start the engine. Off the aircon. I-off natin. Remain at parking neutral. Naka-neutral yung cambio natin. Then hold natin yung brake. Then start the engine. Then pause natin yung okay. Wait na lang natin yung accelerate, fuel to cut off. Yan, cut off na yun. Yun, learn status, learn designation. Okay, yun, okay na yun. So ganun lang kadali mag-learn ng throttle, ng crankshaft position sensor. Yun yung crankshaft position sensor. Kasi na kayo, madami ang kamay ng mekaniko. Yan, kita nyo naman. So yan, so okay na siya. Natin yan. So mapansin nyo